What's up, guys? In this video I want to introduce y'all to Zipper the Red Ripper and talk about some of the vehicles I used when I started my appliance repair business. Hope y'all enjoy.
What's going on, guys? David here with you, and I wanted to show y'all Zipper the Red Ripper. And now take note, this is not my first vehicle that I started in doing appliance repair. I did have a '03 E150, but I sold it. Of course, I had other vehicles, but just wanted to show you guys that this is my appliance repair vehicle that I started in, one of them that I started in, and it's just a simple I think it's a '02 '03 Honda Accent. Great on gas, great on doing whatever I wanted to do. This thing's packed, as you can see. But I know that I could get one washer, one dryer in the back of this by letting my seat down. And like I said, just want to show you guys, this is what I started in. Zipper the Red Ripper. This is the 1340 Connect. Right here. So, humble beginnings. So, like I said, guys, this, it's not what you start in, and it's when you start. And I just wanted to, let me think. I had that '89 Dodge Dakota, and I used it to, I was buying storage units, and I was buying appliances. It was a good little truck. It was a little blue Dodge Dakota '89. I think it had 121,000 miles on it. Scooped it up. And my next vehicle would be the '97 F-150. I still got it too. It was a long wheelbase truck, and it was great. It had a small V8 in it. It wasn't too good on gas, but that's okay. But then after the '97 F-150, I had bought a '03 E150 from this furniture store. It had like 189,000 miles on it, and I drove it for a while. Wasn't nothing wrong with it. I think at that time I did have to go back to work a little bit because business just wasn't where it needed to be, and I had to make some money. And so I got tired of pulling up to my job in that big old van like that, so I sold it. Wish I would never got rid of it, but hey, it's okay. And then I got that little Red Ripper there. And Little Red Ripper, I've used it for like 2 years. It had, I think it had like 56,000 miles on it. It was one owner. I think I picked it up for like $2,500. And you hear my neighbor's chickens over there. And I put the stickers on it. I realized that I could get one appliance in there. I could get one washer or one dryer, slide it down in the back, so that was pretty cool. So I had room to, if I wanted to go scooping up appliance, I would. I cleaned dryer vents out of that thing. I pressure washed houses out of that thing. But most of all, I used it for my appliance repair and servicing appliances. And it's a little car, as you can see. And that's why I wanted to do this video, to encourage y'all to say that it don't matter what you start in, it's when you start. You may have a car, you may have a truck, or whatever you can use. Get started today, and you can make money in appliance repair. And in appliances, any kind of form of appliances. You can sell parts online. You can sell parts on eBay. Save your parts on machines that's no good, because you may have another machine that you can use those parts off of. But I just want to do that and show you guys that, you can start from the bottom and make your way up to the top. in any kind of vehicle. Look professional. You know, get you some uniforms, get you some cards, get you some flyers, and just be professional. You know, people, didn't mind what I pulled up in, because once I began to talk with them and begin to share my knowledge in appliance repair and fix appliances, they didn't care. But now that I'm back in a service van, you feel a lot better when you pull up to the customer's house. But don't let that discourage you, okay? But this is David, and I just wanted to do this video for y'all so y'all can understand where I started from and what I started in. Y'all have a great day. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you for all the subscribers, and y'all have a great day.